punishment under the correction pillars. Forms of punishment under the correction pillar. First is the death penalty, the capital of punishment. Second is the imprisonment, the legal process of confining the offender expressions for the purpose of protecting the public and at the same time rehabilitating when the while undergoing institution treatment programs. Third is the years of the punishment and the exile penalty of banishing a person from the place where he committed a crime, prohibiting him to get near or enter the 25-kilometer and perimeter. Fourth is the fine compensation. Lastly is the civic duties. Duration of penalties and example of crime under that penalty. Number 1 is the reclusion perpetua, embracement of more than 20 years, maximum imprisonment of 30 years and personal. Convict by apply for executive clemency. Pardon unless he is disqualified by law. Number 2 is reclusion temporary imprisonment of 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Number 3 is the privation meal, imprisonment of 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Number 4 is the physician correctional embracement, the 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Number 5 is the arresto major, imprisonment of 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. Number 6 is the arrest manner imprisonment of 1 day to 30 days. Number 7 is ban to keep the peace of mind, the amount of time to be imposed by discretionary with the court of death penalty. Capital offense of heinous crime, an act which under the existing law at the time of its commission may be punished by death, although a lower penalty than that may be imposed after conviction. That penalty was reimposed as a form of punishment for heinous crime by virtue of Republic Act 79 to 59, otherwise called that penalty law approved of January to 1994. When the Republic Act number 81 to 77, the lethal injection law was acted, the execution of death penalty was changed from the electrocution of lateral injection. Example of crime under the penalty punished by the includes the present murder, qualified piracy, kidnapping, drug trafficking, aggravated rape, robbery with homicide or rape, destructive arson. That cases is which that penalty shall not be imposed. First is the quality party is over 70 years old. Second, if the death penalty is imposed on the law court is not affirmed by the Supreme Court. Third is the offender is under 18 years of age at the time of commission of the crime, and the execution of the death penalty is suspended of the convict reach at the age of 70, and if the convert is a pregnant, and if the convert become insanity or an imbecile.